In this video, we are going to look at how to locate our portfolio inside TK20 and upload artifacts. I am logged in as our student Jack, and under the home screen, we're going to click on portfolios, and we'll have portfolios here. Your portfolios will either be for PED 3301, 5301, or 3305. To access the portfolio, go and click on that portfolio name, and this is going to be your main screen for your portfolios. All of the information above these dark lines are going to be different tabs that you can go to. For the 3305 portfolio, we have all of the competencies inside urban education. Moving forward. And so to click on the different competencies, you'll have instructions on some information on the left, and then on the right you'll have where you'll be able to upload your artifacts. We'll choose competency 4. For any of the competencies, there will be areas where you can select to attach documents. I'm going to select here for the PD2 for Jack, and it's going to have some information for us. We are going to be creating some new information. So for each of the competencies for your PED 3305 portfolio, you will talk about your interpretation of said competency and also how you feel the artifact that you attach to your portfolio is applicable to the competency as well. Inside your portfolio for 3301, ETC 3301, you will just be uploading the artifacts. To upload an artifact, we can either drag and drop files here using Chrome. If you are using Edge, this drag and drop file feature does not work. Or we can hit select files, and it's going to bring us up our library. And from here, let's go ahead and drop some TK20 training information into our area. Again, any place where there are opportunities to upload files, you can upload multiple files. And when we're finished, we're going to go down here to the very, very bottom, move the screen down a touch, and click our Add button. Now you can see that we have attached information for competency 2 in our portfolio.